In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a hidden audio file that will automatically play when presenting or publishing a Google slide. So your first step is to open a Google slide where you want to insert the hidden file. So for this instance, I'm going to be creating a read aloud for a social stories at the elementary level. The next thing you want to do is go to My VR Spot and click that, and then you're going to go to Create, and then you're going to go to Audio Recorder. From there, you're going to pick the microphone that you want to use, and then you're going to click Start Recording, and then you'll record your audio file. So I'm going to read pages 16 and 17 from the book Ricky Sticky Fingers. The next morning, I went outside to the garage to get my bike so I could ride it to school. My bike was gone. Mom, my bike is gone, I screamed. Oh no, little Ricky, it happened to you? Your bike has been stolen. It's sad but true. But how could this happen? Who would do this to me? And then I hit stop recording.
The next morning, I went outside.
It's going to preview it for you. And I think I've done a good enough job for this, so I'm going to click Save Recording to my account. And depending on the file size, it might take a little bit, but it's going to record and save it to your My VR Spot account. From here, you can rename it. So I'm going to rename it Ricky Sticky Fingers. And this is pages 16 through 17. You could give it a description, you could change its thumbnail, you could give it a tag, and then you can update. And this may take a little bit, but from here, you can go and add it to Google Drive. So you're going to click Send to Google Drive. And it may take a little bit, but it should be in your Google Drive very soon. So there you go. I'm then going to go to that file, and I'm going to Google Slide File, and I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to click Audio File, and then I'm going to go to Recent, and I'm going to see that page 16 and 17 are there. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to hit Select. And it's now creating that audio file. I'm going to increase the size just a little bit. Now to play it as a hidden file, I'm going to grab that file and move it off to the side until you see that red light. That means, or red line, sorry. That means that the file is still part of the slide, but it will be hidden. And now I'm going to format that audio file. So I'm going to click Format Options. And I'm going to make sure that audio playback is what I've selected. I'm going to hit Start automatically when it clicks on the slide. My volume option is going to be all the way up to the top to 100%. And I'm going to make sure that Stop on Slide Change is selected so that it doesn't play too often. And once I have those done, I'm going to click off the slide. Now, I want to go back to the slide before to present to show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to hit Present Mode, and then I'm going to go to the next file.
The next morning, I went outside to the garage to get my bike so I could ride it to school. My bike was gone. Mom, my bike is gone, I screamed. Oh no, little Ricky, it happened to you?
So you see there that it will automatically play once you go into present mode and the student advances the slide. Now this would also work in Canvas on your home pages when you present, or not present, but publish your Google Calendar on your Canvas homepage. So say you have a substitute for the day and you want to give students instructions on what work is to be done for the day. Well, you can add a hidden audio file using My VR Spot and Google Slides, and it would play automatically. As always, if you have any questions or want further training, please contact the Canvas coaches or myself. Thank you.